I'm here to grab seltzer water, right? Because usually I get my seltzer water from Aldi, and it used to be $2.29 before COVID. Look at it right now. Look at this. Look at this. What does it say right there? What does it say right there? It says, "Don't touch me. You can't afford me." That's what it says right there. Uh, this used to be $2.29. Go ahead, go ahead. Everything is untouchable, guys. Untouchable. The snacks. Look at this. Freaking peanuts. $8 for a pack of peanuts. The fuck? Where are these peanuts grown from? Heaven or something? Unbelievable prices, guys. Unbelievable. This stuff is untouchable. Everything is just skyrocketing. Look at that. Look at that. For 14, $15 with tax. This is $14.99, but our Illinois, our taxes are like $2. So you'll end up paying $17 at the cash register for a bag of fucking nuts. They're gonna crack your teeth, and you're gonna have digestive issues from. I mean, it's crazy, man. All right, these prices are just unreal, unbelievable, guys. And with the same site, same job you got, you can't, a lot of the stuff you come here, you crave. You know, your son craves it. Your kid's with you. You got 2, 3 kids. Your kid wants this color. Your other kid wants this. Listen, guys, I have 5 kids. I used to take my kids to the store, and everyone could have their own color. Okay, I could walk out here with all the colors. But now we're on a budget, right? We're on a budget. You know, some of the stuff we got to put back at the register because we don't have the money to cover it, right? Well, guess what? I got the side hustle right here. Look, see that, baby? Cash. I pay cash. I can afford all this. I don't have to tell my kids, no, we can't afford it, right? So check out that link in the bio, guys. If you want to be in the same spot I'm in, and you want to get out of that hole you're in, check out the link in the bio or comment yes, and I'll send you all that info. 2-hour workday around your full-time job, and you could make some good money, guys. Yeah, you're making some good money. Thank you.